Jengi Sha Kaperthai. Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad Sangma mentakasngi ula pelat padba ya laiteli ki kot ki ba kongsan bha ki ba dei khamtam halor ki klau ki betap chong Gejala Meghalaya bad ula penmi padba ru ya ka online portal bala Kyrteng Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. Ya kani la penlong hapok ke kamera kenhun menteri hapok sekretariat. Kikot bala pelat padba ki kenthop ya ka rotation age and volume estimation of KHASI pine in Meghalaya volume 1, ka forest inventory of sacred groves in Meghalaya volume 3, ka geospatial mapping of forest fire vulnerable and forest fire prone areas in Meghalaya. Haba ajingkren menteri Rangba Gejala ula ong bahapok ke program.
What is going to be very important is to be able to link the different research that we do and allow this entire the data analytics to be able to create predictability models for us in the future and know how one particular aspect of research or the trend that is happening in a particular area will affect another aspect.
Ki pulit karib hoy